SQT Anti-Aging Rejuvenation Set Instructional Video. Step 1. Clean face. Step 2. SQT Biomicroneedling Firming Cream. Apply half of the amount evenly to the face and press gently in circular motions for 3 to 5 minutes. Apply the remaining half evenly to the face. Continue to gently press in circular motions for 3–5 minutes. Gently wipe and clean the facial skin. Step 3. SQT Firming Rejuvenation Essence. Take an appropriate amount of the essence to your hand and apply to the face for lifting massage. Repeat the process until the essence is used up. Step 4. SQT Firming Repair Mask. Directly apply this firming repair mask without cleansing after the essence. After 15 to 20 minutes, remove the mask and gently clean the facial skin. Step 5. SQT Firming Rejuvenation Cream. Apply an appropriate amount evenly spread on the face. Gently massage until absorbed. P.S. The remaining cream can be used as a final step after the daily skincare routine.